Today, we will be assembling a 12-volt Honda Talon from Action Wheels Toys. First, remove the vehicle from the box. Rotate the vehicle upside down so that the gearbox is facing up. Install and secure the two steel support bars with the screws provided. Next, remove the two pivot bolts from both sides of the gearbox. Rotating the gearbox down, put the left and right shocks on and align the holes. Insert the two pivot bolts through the aligned holes and install the nuts on each bolt. Using the supplied tools, tighten each nut onto the pivot bolts. Tighten the bolt and nut simultaneously. Remove the rear axle from the packaging and remove the flange nut from one end. Slide the axle through the wheel and align it to engage with the drive coupling of the gearbox. Slide the other rear wheel onto the opposite end of the axle until it is correctly aligned with the drive coupling of the other gearbox. Use the tools provided and tighten accordingly. Once the wheels are secure, snap on the axle covers. For the front of the toy, align the steering bracket with the hole in the steering arm. Insert the bolt through the holes and tighten with the wrench and socket provided. Pull the rubber boot over the connection of the steering bracket and steering arm. To install the front wheels, first remove the nut from the front axle. Place the front wheel on the axle. Then tighten the flange nut with a socket and screwdriver provided. Snap the wheel cap into place and repeat these steps for the other side. To install the steering wheel, first remove the steering wheel bolt. Connect the cables and then slide the steering wheel onto the steering rod. Secure with the provided nut and bolt. To install the seat, first connect the battery wire connector with the system wire connector. Leave no gaps between the connectors. Align the clips on the back of the seat to the main body. And then press down and secure the seat onto the main body using the screws provided. To install the roll bar, first insert the roll bar support onto the roll bar. Insert two screws into the holes and tighten them securely. Align the rear roll bar with the holes onto the main body. Press it down until it snaps into the holes tightly. To install the front roll bar, snap into the slots provided. To install the window nets, simply strap on to the provided pegs. To install the front bumper, stand the vehicle up on end. Insert into the dedicated slots and then tighten using the screws provided. If you have any other questions, please call our friendly customer service team.